What's up, all you cool cats and shop rats? Welcome back to Rule Hard Garage. This week we're doing another Throwback Thursday, and it is for Lindsey's GS550 build. This is when we first moved into the shop. We first started on Lindsey's build in this shop. So we were still stripping down the frame, cutting pieces off the frame. We had did a single down tube conversion, so the part that tied in like the trussing from the bottom of the original down tube, we're cutting that off, disassembling a bunch of different stuff, testing out the way that the fender fits. We're doing all kinds of different stuff. This goes to show how long we've been working on this bike. I'm pretty sure we've had Lindsey's bike for like 2-3 years, and it was a basket of parts when we got it, so it's going to take a while for us to get it done. And like I had said in previous videos, I really want it to be a nice bike when it's done, so I'm taking my time with it. I want it to turn out a certain way when it's done. I don't want to rush through things. There's a time and place for that, like the VT600 chopper that we're working on right now. So if you want to see the GS550 build, you can click here. We've got several videos out for that. We still got a lot more work to do. If you want to see the VT600 build that I just referenced, you can click here. That'll take you to the video for that. But without any further ado, we're going to jump right into the Throwback Thursday video. Check it out.